Class 7 NCERT Chapter 10 Question 2 List the similarities and difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Similarity in both kinds of respiration. Food particles are broken down to finer constituents. The difference aerobic and anaerobic. The differences take place in the presence of oxygen, takes place in the absence of oxygen. Second point, end products are CO2 and H2O. End products are CO2 and alcohol. The third point, produces a large amount of energy, and the energy released is less when compared to aerobic respiration. That's it.